Ordine pubblico tautatima siya applauso per discorso eloquente di prome mandatario di Aruba, specialmente per sobre energia alternativa ta zona manera algo mas novo e estranho denge area aqui di Caribe, cu Aruba ta canando dilante ta algo di applaudi.
I've been working now in the Caribbean for the last year and a half, mainly in Barbados. I've been working with the Inter-American Development Bank in the formation of a loan guarantee scheme for small to medium enterprises there, and of which a good chunk will be for renewable energy because of the very clear economic case to be made in using solar and wind versus burning fossil fuel. At last year's Caribbean Renewable Energy Forum, the head of the electricity company of Aruba gave a very interesting presentation on your progress of reducing fuel oil consumption, and I think it was on the order of 50%. And it's very impressive because when you compare to the other islands in the region, not as much progress has been made, not nearly as much progress has been made, and I think Aruba has taken a clear leadership position in this, and potentially in the region, and I don't know how they could parlay this to wider success, maybe exporting know-how, but I was very, very impressed by that progress.
Mescos experto aqui tá vários outros acerca problema nessa iman competição para bem Aruba e para mira que tour não está sendo para com energia de viento de solo e forma profissional e eficiente, den qual não está produzir água e corrente e assim por seguir mencionar.